everyone, it's Crystal Adamo here over at RE/MAX Rocky-View Real Estate and the Crystal Adamo team. Today I'm happy to show you this house that is located in the community of Monterey Park in Calgary. This home is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac and is very close to a green space that actually has a playground. The home itself is situated on a very large pie lot and it actually has RV parking. The interior of the home has gone through some renovations, including this kitchen, and it actually has a family room with a large wood-burning fireplace. The home has vaulted ceilings in the living room and the dining room, and there are other treasures for you to find. It is priced to sell, and the sellers are very motivated. So I hope you enjoy this tour. Thank you.